For any triangle ABC, show that b times cosine squared c over 2 added to c times cosine squared b over 2 equals to s. Okay, let us begin. But first, let's try to understand the terminologies first. So here we have a triangle ABC. We're going to consider the sides opposite to the vertex A, B, and C. So starting with the vertex A, we're going to denote the side opposite to it, which is BC, with the letter A in lowercase. Then CA is going to be denoted by B and AB is going to be denoted by C. So here we have A plus B plus C, which is going to be defined as the perimeter of the triangle. If we take the half of this perimeter, then it's referred to as the semi-perimeter S of the triangle ABC. Now, we'll start the proof from the left-hand side. So on the left-hand side, we are given B times cosine C over 2 whole squared added to C times cosine of B over 2 whole squared. Now here what we'll do, we'll use the standard half angle formula. So we know that cosine of C over 2, so that's given by the square root of S multiplied to S minus the side opposite to angle C, so that's going to be C, divided by the sides that are adjacent to C, which is going to be A and B, so we're going to take its product. Then we have cosine of B over 2, this is going to be given by, we'll take the square root, underneath the square root we have S multiplied to S minus the side opposite to angle B, so that's B, and we'll divide it by the product of the side adjacent to angle B, so that's going to be A and C. Fine. Now let's substitute these values in the left hand side. So we have B multiplied to S times S minus C divided by AB added to C multiplied to S times S minus B whole divided by AC. Now what we'll do, we will factor out B from the numerator and the denominator for the first term, and for the second term we can factor out C from the numerator and the denominator. Now that's going to leave us with S multiplied to S minus C whole divided by A added to S times S minus B whole divided by A. Now what we can do, we can take S over A as the common factor from the two terms. Now that's going to leave us with S minus C plus S minus B. Fine. Let's further simplify. Now we have S over 2A multiplied to, now S plus S, that's going to be 2S minus B minus C. Now 2S, that's given by A plus B plus C. So if we subtract B and C from both sides, so we have 2S minus B minus C, this is going to be equals to A. Now that means we have S over A multiplied to A. Now we can factor out A from both sides, and that's going to leave us with S, which is the expression on the right hand side. So here we have successfully showed that the given expression B times cosine squared C over 2 plus C times cosine squared B over 2 equals to the semi-perimeter of the triangle ABC.